Hey, what's up, y'all? This is a 2009 Dodge Charger with a 2.7 liter. We're not actually doing the fuel pump, so this is the fuel pump, right? But if you notice, like whenever you change out the fuel pump, you got these three lines, and all they do is you just snap them out. And then this one right here, push on that yellow tab to get it out. And then this wire right here, it goes, and here's the wire right here. It's this side. So whenever you change out the fuel pump, you got to disconnect that stuff. Well, if you look over here, this right here is called the fuel gauge center unit. It's located on the passenger side, but if you look over here, these are the same wires. These are the wires that go to the fuel pump. So there's that blue wire, and there's those three lines that go into the fuel pump. And so if you replace the center unit, it's gonna be on this side. And what you do is you gotta run those tubes all the way over there. So what I did is I stuck it down in there, and then I just kind of shook the line until I could see it over there, and then I just pulled it up, and then you just connect it over there. So if you're wondering if you're ever replacing this and you say, oh shit, you know, where do these lines go? You're gonna have to take out the fuel pump on that side, and that's where the lines hook up to. But this is a 09 Dodge Charger with a 2.7 liter, and it's the fuel gauge center unit.